Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to have you guys back. In today's video, I simply wanted to share with you a really cute, sweet, and charming way I went about decorating my daughter's fourth birthday party a while back. Now, I know in today's time that we're living in, we don't want to throw big birthday parties or big parties anymore. We really want to keep it very small, where we just invite close friends and family, relatives. So this is really a cute way you can go about decorating, especially if you want to decorate from home. You don't want to rent out a big venue space. So I really hope you can find some inspiration through this video on how you can go about just decorating for a small birthday party, especially for a little girl's birthday party. Hope this video was able to help you today, and comment below if you have any questions and I will be happy to answer them for you in the comment section. Okay guys, I wanted to show you guys how I basically just recently put these up. These are some beautiful paper flowers, and this is her name that I got made for her birthday, surrounded by some flowers and a butterfly. And I also added some flowers to the thing right here. So basically how I did it, I just used some clear tape to tape it onto the wall. You know, a good tape that's not gonna, allow my paint to come off the wall. So it's good enough. So what do you guys think? And I also created this ring hoop to add to the wall. I DIY this ring hoop so I can use it as part of the decor. I wanted to keep it, just really cute and simple. And I just use flower wire to put it together. I think I might have to box it. And I use these little floor wires to basically put my leaves, and then I use hot glue to hot glue on my beautiful flowers. This is how I got it done. The ring, the middle circle ring, I purchased it off Amazon.
So today is Elena's birthday. We're gonna do a vlog from morning till the birthday in the afternoon. So I'm starting early in the morning. Girls already outside playing, but we'll share with you some of the decor, some of the stuff that Shirley will be putting together. So let's start the day. Let's go. Oh, this is setting up. Setting up is happening right now. Some setup so far. Shit's getting ready.
Look at that picture!
Setting up some stuff.
Right.
Birthday girl Elena. What's up, birthday girl?
What's up, Dad? You said what's up, birthday girl?
Why are you crying, Bria?
Because she wanted some.
So how old are you now today, birthday girl? You what?
4 years.
How many years?
4 years.
4 years, alright. You guys already sitting? Hey, birthday girl, you the birthday girl. How old are you? 4 years old? Alright.
Hi, I'm Alejandra, and she is Iraida, and the company name is My Balloons Decor. Thank you.
Thank you guys so much.
What's up, birthday girl? Hi, birthday girl. You eating with your friends? All right. So this is the girls' table. Look at them. The short people table. Look at how short this table is. Now, let's take a look at the sweets table. Looks dope. What do you guys think? Elena?
The sweets table looked very charming. I really love the style of the table and how the table looked. It was also charming as well. I didn't need to add a linen because I just love how the table looked as is. I didn't want too much sweets on the table since I know it was for a very small birthday. I only needed the cake, some cupcakes, some, cake pops, and some beautiful spring flowers, and it really came together so beautifully. If you have any questions on the items that I used to decorate the sweets table as well as the kids table, please feel free to check the description box underneath this video. If I forgot to mention something underneath the video, please feel free to ask in the comment section and I will be happy to answer them for you.
Happy birthday to Elena. Happy birthday to